にちは。
こんにちは。
ナニです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。
Okay, today is JLPT N4 and the theme is
でも
So let's imagine the situation. You ask me, Nani, do you want to go to the cinema or a restaurant? And I say, どっちでもいい. Is that okay?
It depends on the situation, but it sounds a bit rude sometimes.
Right.
Yeah, and like it sounds like whatever or whichever.
Right. Because in English, sometimes if you say, whatever, it can be rude, and I wasn't sure if that was translating with どっちでもいい. It means like you don't care. Is it better to just make a decision?
But as you know, many Japanese people
Can't make
decisions, right? And like we say, どっちでも大丈夫です。
Right, so rather than どっちでもいい or 何でもいい, you should say どっちでも大丈夫です。
どっちでも大丈夫。
Okay, I see. If someone says, do you want to go to the cinema or the restaurant, is there a difference in saying どっちでもいい or 何でもいい?
Well, I think it's kind of similar to English grammar. So if there is just two choices, you can say どっちでもいい or like more than three choices, you can say 何でもいい. Grammatically, but like I don't recommend you to say 何でもいい or どっちでもいい in this kind of situations.
So what's the difference between どっちでもいい and どれでもいい?
どれもでもの時には like どっちでもは there is just two choices.
Yeah.
どれでもは there are maybe more than two or three or lots of things that you can choose.
But in like a business setting, for example, if they say, for example, would you like to join the sales team or the marketing team? Are you going to say どっちでも大丈夫です or are you going to say something like different in the business setting?
そうだな、大丈夫ですはちょっと sounds a bit casual. So like you can say どちらでも問題ありません.
Okay. What's the difference between どっちでも and どちらでも?
どちらでも is much more polite.
So even if you're really, really close, like girlfriend and boyfriend, if you say どっちでもいい, it's kind of like you're annoyed, you're in a bad mood, even if you're like a couple.
Yeah, there might be some possibility
Right,
you
okay.
will make someone annoyed. So I'm always using 大丈夫.
Right, okay. So if you say どっちでもいい, people think that you're like, oh, she's in a mood.
すごいね. If you are super close to someone and you can say, どっちでもいいよ.
Okay.
But so it depends on the situation. But like I recommend you to use more 大丈夫 words. It's miracle words. If you want to repeat something, you can say 大丈夫です. If you want something, you can say 大丈夫です.
Right. Miracle word.
Yeah. どれでも大丈夫です。どっちでも問題ないよ。どちらの日にちでも構いません。